Hey guys, it's Lori from Peace9Art. It's good to see you again. It's been a while, hasn't it? Thanks for coming back and seeing me again, or if you're new here to the channel, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. I'm in my new digs here in the basement, which is actually a bit more of a studio space for me than what I had in the dining room upstairs, because working on the dining room table was never such a great situation. So being down here in the basement will give me a little bit more flexibility to make things that need to sit around for a while to dry without having to clear off the table for meals on a regular basis. Obviously, the lighting down here is not great for filming an intro like this, so you probably won't see me doing that much. I'll mostly do voiceovers and just talk while I'm actually recording. But it's good to be back to doing this again, and I hope you'll stick around and look through the videos I'll be uploading. I've been doing a lot of pours that haven't uploaded much lately, so you'll be seeing a good bit coming up as I get them edited. Like I said, thanks for stopping by. Please do subscribe if you like what I'm doing here, and I'll see you down in the videos. Bye.